The purpose of biasing in BJT amplifier circuits is to have a constant DC current in the collector of the BJT. This current has to be calculatable, predictable, and insensitive to variations in temperature and to the large variations in the value of beta encountered among resistors of the same type. Also, the DC bias point should allow for maximum output signal swing. This you can see on the bottom left of your screen. If the output signal swing is not accommodated, distortion is going to occur. For more details, see the video in the instructor's notes from the MOSFET module. Now let me present first two bad techniques for biasing. In the first one, biasing is done by fixing the voltage VBE by using a voltage divider. Now since IC versus VBE is nonlinear and VBE depends on the device, so if VBE deviates from the given value, you will see large differences in IC and VCE. In the second approach, IB is fixed. However, this suffers from the fact that beta among units of the same device will vary and therefore result in large variations in IC and also VCE. So now we've got these two out of our way, let's look at some excellent techniques.